In today's video, I'm going to teach you change your Thinkific subdomain, default Thinkific URL. When you first create your Thinkific site, you're given a default web address that looks something like your site school xxat Thinkific. Kamasu. That long bit before thinkific.com is your subdomain, and you can customize it to better match your brand. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to make the change, what to expect when you save it, and a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by signing in to your Thinkific admin. From the left-hand menu, open Settings, then select Site URL. This is where your current Thinkific address is displayed and where you'll make your update. Next, look for the three dots or the Edit URL option beside your current address. Click that to open the field where you can enter your new subdomain. You're changing only the portion before .thinkific.com, so focus on the name you want people to recognize as your brand. Type your new subdomain carefully. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid spaces or special characters, and stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens if needed. Consistency helps, so try to match the name you use on your social profiles, course materials, and marketing. If the name you want isn't available, try a simple variation, like adding a hyphen or a short word that still feels on brand. When you're happy with the new name, click Save, then Confirm. Thinkific will immediately apply the change. Right after that, you'll be logged out automatically. That's expected. To get back in, open a new browser tab and go to your updated address using the new subdomain, then sign in again as usual. It's a good idea to bookmark this new URL so you don't accidentally use the old one. Important reminder: once you change your Thinkific subdomain, the old URL stops working. Be sure to update any links you've shared on your website, in emails, social media bios, ad campaigns, PDFs, and inside any automated messages. If you have a team, ask them to refresh their bookmarks and swap out old links in any templates or documents they use. That's it. You've updated your default Thinkific URL to a cleaner, more brand-aligned subdomain. A quick recap: go to Settings, open Site URL, click Edit, enter your new name, save and confirm, then sign back in at the new address and update any links you've shared. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Thinkific presence.